Crazy Mike from CrazyMikesapps.com with an iPad app demo for Animation Desk for iPad. This app comes to us from KDan Mobile, and it costs $4.99 in the iTunes App Store. It's only for the iPad. There is an iPhone Animation Desk called Animation Desk for iPhone. It costs $2.99 and works on the iPhone and iPod Touch. There's a whole bunch of this app, so let's get into it. Here is the opening screen. Let's start from left to right. Here in the file, you can actually see what you have done, and you can access your files here, and that would go forward to the next page. Here is what I have currently. I can check on that and do all those things on the left, which you can see: duplicate, export, Facebook, YouTube, photo library, and so on. Here on the tab on the right in this section, you have your backgrounds that you can select from, and you can see those there. And then you also have Project Animator. They actually have a contest going on by KDan Mobile. You can read up on it, but you have the opportunity to win a gift card there. We'll go back to photos. We'll go out of there. And now here is the main drawing screen. This is a lot here. On the upper right, we have different size for your, and I'm using a stylus. You have your different size for what you're drawing with. I'm going to use the medium size, and we can just put a, whoops, we got to get off eraser. We can just put there. That's medium. Got the erase there. It does so much more than that, though, and let's see what it does more than that. So go back to the pen. As you can see, you got pencil, crayon, sharp pen, ballpoint, whatever, and a brush, as well as your colors. You can tap on your colors, and you can pull up a whole range of colors. Wherever the letters are, those are the colors that you can have. You can currently have 6 different colors, and you can arrange them however you want. Tap out of there. Down here is the information about Animation Desk and where you can follow them. And then here is the instructions, which are key to this application. And you can scroll through here and figure out everything about it. This is mainly for people that want to learn how to draw. It has a ton of functionality, more than I can comprehend. This isn't my part of the brain, but I can fully appreciate the coolness of this app. So here's my picture, and again, we can go here and see all my frames of my picture. I didn't explain that when I was doing the left to right deal, and you can see from beginning to end. We can go backwards. You see the snow's going. We can go forwards, and then we can slow that down from another aspect down here to 1/4 inch. I think we can go back and play that. Now it's still going very fast. So let's see if this does it. Nope. This is the wheel 2 to go again from frame to frame. So there's like a different transparency skin for each frame from beginning to end. You can go right back to the beginning, which is where I started, go to the next one, go to the next one, and so you can see what I've done. So we'll go back here, put it on 1/4, and we can play the whole thing. Pretty simple. Obviously, I'm not an artist. It's got a moving background, which is really cool. You've got your little bar up here for how to the timeline. There's a lot to this app, but it's basically for folks who want to do some drawing and create some animation with a cool app. It's very neat. It's got a ton of stuff. Down here on the bottom, you have full screen opportunity. You can back out of that. Again, you can still play this at the full screen. You can even draw on the full screen, so it's really cool. A lot of stuff on this app. High quality. It's got excellent ratings in iTunes, and you can see why. You can undo here, put back there. You can look at the first, you can look at the next one, and you can look at the next one when you have those going. And again, down here you can delete and add a frame. So that is it. If I want to add a frame here, I just put a new one down and see, it'll give me a transparency, and then I can draw on. I'm not drawing on that one. So, or we can undo that and go back to where we were at. That is Animation Desk for iPad. This is a very slick app to teach you how to learn how to animate. They have a great website with resources. They're coming up with weekly tutorials, so they will teach you actually how to animate. So great app, excellent support. There's a contest if you want to enter to win an iTunes gift card. Cool app. It gets 5 Crazy Mike's heads. Yes, 5 coveted Crazy Mike's heads. Until next time, this has been Crazy Mike saying, see ya.